Monitor company on Twitter. Getting visibility on Twitter can be quite stressful for organizations that haven't prepared a detailed plan for Twitter campaigns. Twitter monitoring is quite an effective way you can use to make wise decisions for your future campaigns. In this video, we'll take a look at how you can enhance your visibility on Twitter if you take advantage of some useful techniques to monitor company on Twitter. So, let's get started. Stay organized with marketing campaigns. The major reason why you should monitor company on Twitter is that it enables you to build organized campaigns. The companies should be able to respond to the users as soon as they receive a message for an important campaign. We recommend using a Twitter monitoring tool to keep an eye on tweets that belong to a specific keyword. You just need to add the keyword in the monitoring tool and it will send you an immediate alert whenever someone publishes a tweet with that keyword. The visibility of your account will be ultimately increased when you actively respond to the users that are talking about your industry. The beauty of the Twitter monitoring tools is that they display the important messages on top of the list so they never go overlooked. Understand what's working for competitors. If you're just keeping an eye on your company's performance, you're missing out a lot on Twitter. Your competitors can teach you some valuable lessons that you might have learned after investing a lot of time and money. So, you should keep an eye on your competitors if you're using a Twitter monitoring tool to monitor company on Twitter. You get to learn several work ethics when you regularly monitor the activities of your competitors on Twitter. You can add the names of your industry's top brands in the monitoring tool to stay aware of what people are saying about them. It's quite an effective way of stealing customers from your competitors. The best part is that it's not illegal at all. Interact with your top brand advocates. The customers that are satisfied with your services can also help with growing your visibility on Twitter. These users must have a huge following on Twitter. So, your chances of growing your presence are ultimately increased when you regularly interact with satisfied customers on Twitter. If you want to monitor company on Twitter, you must consider adding the names of these users to the tool. Thus, you'd get an immediate alert when they mention your name in their tweets. Twitter Advanced Search is also a great way to monitor company on Twitter if you aren't willing to use a paid tool. Here you can set different keywords and account names to stay aware of what customers are saying about you. You can also use the search operators to find your desired results on Twitter. It can be a little difficult to use Twitter Advanced Search. Therefore, you can reach out to us if you need help with setting up the advanced search.